Hi, we're Julie and Daniel from Pastels Studio, a dream team passionate about photography and editing. 5 years ago, we spent a fortune on presets and actions, hoping for a magic fix. But we quickly realized there's no one-click solution to creating truly timeless images. To craft photos that will be cherished for generations, you need your talent, your vision, and your effort. If you've ever felt frustrated comparing your photos to others or searching for a quick fix, we get it. That's exactly what we went through. We're here to guide you step by step to help you uncover your unique style and turn your holiday photography into storytelling art. In our Pine Forest tutorial, you'll learn to capture outdoor shots of children during golden hour using minimal props and natural light. We'll show you how to work effortlessly with kids, our exact camera settings, and step-by-step editing techniques. Plus, our exclusive actions will help you streamline your workflow while adding your personal touch of magic. Next, our Magic Christmas tutorial reveals our classic in-studio setup with warm black and red backdrops. You'll learn our lighting secrets and editing process for heartwarming holiday images. The Santa editing tutorial teaches you how to create festive, storybook-quality photos. Add warmth, contrast, and precise adjustments with our Santa actions, saving you time while making every shot shine. The Golden Christmas Tree tutorial shows you how to add a magical golden glow to rustic setups, wooden doors, or Santa workshops. These techniques aren't just for Christmas. They'll enhance any photo, giving you warm tones and professional results every time. Finally, our Winter Princess tutorial focuses on manual editing. You'll learn to hand paint raw photos in Photoshop, add enchanting word overlays, and use plugins like Nik Collection or Exposure for extra magic. This tutorial unlocks your creativity and lets you create images that transport viewers to a magical world. This Christmas, it's time to stop searching for shortcuts and start creating photos you'll be proud of. Join our Pastels Studio Christmas course and get access to all our best-selling tutorials, actions, and behind-the-scenes secrets. Plus, grab exclusive bonuses, free for today only. Their magical holiday images start now. Click below and let's make this Christmas unforgettable.